Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you a car detailing product that you may not even heard of or never used before. Now I'm using a Autoglym product for this. I'm not affiliated with any type of detailing product. I'm just using Autoglym because I found that doing a bit of research, that's the one that would work best for me. I haven't tried any others. So I'm going to show you how this product works, what it does, and we'll go from there. So have you ever washed your car, got it as clean as you can, you got all these black spots all over your car? Well, that could be due to iron contamination. This can be from brake pads or, other things in the atmosphere. What this product does is after you wash your car, you spray it on and it will turn purple if there's any iron on the car, and it will soften it so that way you can wipe it off the car. I'm going to show you practically how I do it on my car. And you can decide whether this is a product that you want to invest in yourself. Once again, I'm just using the Autoglym version. I know there's a Bowden's own version, and I'm sure there's plenty of other versions of this product out there. Once again, I just use the Autoglym one because it works well for what I want to do. Let's get into it. So what I'm going to do first is wash the door panel, get it as clean as I can with just soaps and suds. Then I'm going to spray on this Autoglym magma, and it will show you all the spots that I didn't get when I washed it with just soap. So I'm going to get into washing it and have a watch. So now that I've washed the car, I'm noticing that you may see them, is there's little tiny specks still on the paintwork. The reason why I chose Autoglym's magma is because in the instructions it says that you can leave the paint wet, it just wipe off the excess water, where there's other products that I read that the panel's going to be completely dry. So I figured this was going to be the easiest product because I don't need to chamois the whole car before I use it. What I'm going to do now is, since I've washed it, it's at 100% clean, I'm going to spray on the Autoglym magma, which will soften up the iron particles and it will turn purple, and it will really show you what contaminants are still on the paint after you've washed it. So I'm going to spray it on, give it 2 or 3 minutes, and then I will show you the results. So I left it for 4 minutes after I sprayed it, and you can really see how much iron has been left on the paintwork since I even washed it just now. What I've done also is the panel I didn't wash, I thought I'd give that a quick spray, and I'm going to see how that comes up without even touching it. So what I'm going to do now is agitate it with a cloth and then rinse it off. So you can see, going from a panel that's quite dirty, even though I sprayed it on there, it still hasn't brought it up clean, but that's to be expected, to a panel that's now super shiny, super soft to touch. You can really feel just how smooth it is now. You've got those iron deposits off the car. So you don't have to go with the Autoglym product. You can use any product you like. I just found that's what works for me. Yeah, it's a product that most people may not know about. It's a iron deposit remover. Yeah, Bowdens call it three-way. Autoglym calls it magma. I'm sure there's plenty of other companies that make something similar. Have you used a product like this before? Can you recommend a product to others? Write it down in the comments. Make sure you keep watching for the next video.